Not everyone who looks strong is okay. Minsan yung pinakamasayahin sila yung may pinakamatinding sakit sa dibdib. Yung palaging di kaya ko to. Sila rin yung sanay na hindi umasa sa iba kahit pagod na pagod na. We live in a world where people saying I'm fine, even when their heart is already breaking. We applaud their achievements, we admire their confidence, we share their happy posts, pero di natin nakikita yung mga gabing hindi sila makatulog kakaisip, o yung mga umagang pilit nilang binubuo ulit ang sarili. Ang daming tao ngayon na lumalaban ng tahimik. Ang daming umiiyak pero walang nakakarinig. Ang daming nagtatapang-tapangan. Kasi takot silang matawag na mahina. So please, before you scroll, pause. Ask someone how they really are. And when you ask, listen not to reply, but to understand. Because sometimes, a single message, a small act of care, can save someone who's already losing hope. Kung ikaw naman yung humihinga pero pagod. Nakangiti pero wasak. Tumatawa pero may dinadala. You don't always have to be strong. You don't need to pretend. You're allowed to slow down. You're allowed to ask for help. You deserve to rest. Healing doesn't always begin with grand solutions. Minsan nagsisimula yan sa isang taong nagsasabing, I feel you. Hindi ka nag-iisa. May halaga ka. Be gentle. With others. With yourself. And if today is heavy, please stay. Bukas ulit. We'll take it one breath at a time.